Hi everyone, in this video we are going to do some decoupage with a napkin, and I'm going to take off one of the layers of the napkins and apply Mod Podge to glue it onto some tea stain paper, and it just adds a really neat look on your paper in your junk journal or your art journaling. Some other ideas to incorporate into your junk journaling is to take some of the scrap pieces of paper from your tea stain paper and just fold it in half several times, and you could staple it or sew it at the top, make like a little booklet, apply washi tape to it, or do some stamping on the front. We're going to go ahead and sew the pages to our junk journal. Now, I did not complete my junk journal this month, so I just have a few of the tea stain pages that I did some stamping on. But I wanted to go ahead and get the tutorial out to show you what I use to punch the holes. I just use a large thumbtack to punch the holes in the cover and in my pages, and then I just draw, make a little dot to match up the holes from the cover to the paper, so that when I punch the holes in the papers that are going to go inside the journal, they will line up with the hole in the cover for whenever I go to sew it all together with the waxed linen. And this is how I measure my waxed linen so that you don't have a ton of excess. I show you how I fold it up to, it gives you just enough to fold, to sew in each of your signatures. And with this soft cover, I'm just showing one signature. I hope that you have enjoyed this tutorial. Please let me know if you have any questions at all. You can email me or contact me via social media, or comment below the video, and I'll be happy to answer any questions that you have. Thank you so much, and I hope you have a great day and have fun crafting. Bye.